It's time to get into the kitchen for Game Day Grub presented by Tico Peoples Gas. Angie Baselli and Justin from Fresh from Florida have a simple, fresh treat.
Welcome to Game Day Grub presented by Tico Peoples Gas. We are in a Dreamfinders Homes model in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community. And I'm here with Chef Justin with Fresh from Florida, and we are cooking up some Mexican food. Tell us.
Yes, we are. Thanks for having me here, Angie. I'd like to thank the Jags, Tico Peoples Gas as well, and of course the Dreamfinders model homes. Awesome to be in this beautiful setting, cooking on natural gas. And we got a great Fresh from Florida recipe today.
Awesome.
Look what we have here. We have these beautiful East Coast shrimp and some wonderful Florida beef as well. We've already kind of skewered these up. Now, who doesn't like skewers, right?
No one I know.
Yep, no one I know either.
Especially with variety, fish and surf and turf we got here.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So we just have our beef and our shrimp interlaced with a little bit of Florida peppers. We've got our grill pan on back here and it's already screaming hot. So let's go ahead and get these on, shall we?
I love this. It's such a nice feature because it rains so much in Florida that it's awesome to be able to have this grill feature right in your kitchen.
Absolutely. Yeah, grill pans are very versatile and I recommend that people should have them in their house for that very reason. Okay,
right.
So we got a little bit of pan spray. I'm just gonna spray, and I'm gonna spray on here, make sure nothing sticks.
So you just sprayed that right on the meat?
Right on, yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then we're gonna lay these on. We're gonna get our beef on.
Guys, look how even the heat is.
Yeah, it's nice. Oops, a little ice cube got in there, that's all right.
A little sizzle.
A little sizzling going on. And that's the sound and the smell that we wanna have. I can smell it already, smells good. All right, Angie, we got our skewers off the grill and they smell phenomenal, right?
Do they ever?
Look at this beautiful
caramelization. Now, what'd you put on these?
Yeah, so we did a little marinade or a little bit of sauce. It's got olive oil, cumin, garlic, cilantro. Really yummy, gonna really help out with these Mexican flavors.
So fragrant and yummy.
Yes, we made a little bit of fresh Florida guacamole, a little bit of salsa. We got a little bit of Mexican crumbling cheese, which I like, really salty and yummy.
Yes.
Some pickled jalapenos.
Does that have a specific name?
Cojito.
Yes, so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit of shredded Florida lettuce. And of course, we've got our tortillas. We grilled these on the grill a little bit also. We've got soft and we've got hard. And the beautiful thing about this is that we could just take our taco and go just like this, and it slides right off.
I get to sample these,
and
right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
We're ready to go. What do you like on yours? Maybe a little bit of lettuce?
Sock it to me.
Let's
everything.
do a little bit pico. I'm gonna use my hands, I'm professional.
Perfect.
No worries.
If you didn't, I would. So.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Taste it?
Yeah,
no,
you can.
I'll do it after.
Okay. So there you have it, your Fresh from Florida grilled shrimp and beef skewers that we've turned into a wonderful, fresh Latin recipe with lots of great flavors and textures.
Looks good to me for the shrimp and beef tacos recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments. Make sure you visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.